What's going on, guys? I'm back with another video. I'm in the truck right now, but on this video I'm about to post up is about me messing with my car. One of my car is an '07 Acura TSX. We're swapping out the fenders and fixing the front bumper. I stay in Louisiana. We had that storm Ida and it tore everything up. My fenders was already messed up from my previous situation, but it tore the bumper off and stuff like that. But I'm gonna show you a quick video. I'm replacing my fenders and fixing up the bumper. Stay tuned, check it out, let me know what you think. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Thank you all for watching and enjoy. You see the bumper is off. We're gonna put a bumper to the side. Put the grill to the side. We're gonna be replacing the grill too. We're possibly gonna be replacing the lights. I'm not sure yet. There's a strong possibility. See, you got a crack right here. You got a crack right here, but for the fender, it was 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts right underneath here. A bolt right underneath here. And a bolt right here. See. That fender was damaged right there. And again, you got a bolt right here. A bolt right here. One right here. One right here. One right here. And the last one is right there. As you can see, I took off both fenders already. I've already put on one. So it's good right there. And I got the next one that I gotta put on over here. So again, you got a bolt here, 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 underneath here, here, and right there. That is the bolts for your fender. And I'm definitely gonna be changing the headlights. I'm gonna be cleaning up the whole car. As you can see, there's dirt all over the engine. The car haven't been running months, and the car inside is messy. But stay tuned. You can see from the wheels, from the trunk. Once you got that next car, we basically start driving this and let it go to the dog. It's a pretty good car. It runs strong, AC blow cold, and long lasting. Plus I spent some money on it, so I might as well get it together so that I can drive it from time to time. But yeah, as you can see, this is what I'm be working with. Stay tuned for the final finished project, or the finish results and what it's gonna be looking like. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. This is what the car look like with both fenders on. I gotta get me a new front bumper. Got that hole right there. Got some other thing that's going on that I wish not to fix. You know what I mean? Simple stuff like this piece right here sticking out. I want it to be flush. Simple like this right here. So this is basically what the car looks like after putting on both fenders. As you can see, door opens and closes with no issue. You don't always have to take your car to the shop. Here, let's see. Open and close, no issue. And these are the old fenders that I have to get rid of. Again, appreciate y'all watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and enjoy your day.